Hello guys, let's discuss slicing today. What exactly is slicing? Slicing means it returns a range of characters. So if you ask me how can you return a range of characters, it is very simple. If I ask you what will output str and then in square brackets if I write 1, what will output? It will output b. Why? Because in positive indexing it starts from 0 and then it's 1. So it returns 1. Let's output it b. Okay, and if I write it 1 colon 4, what will you say? What will be output? So 1 is start and 4 is end. Simple. So start from b and where it is end, its end is c. So you will say the output will be b, c, d, e. But no, the output won't be b, c, d, e. It will ignore the last one. So what will be the output? b, c, d. Okay, so let's see the output. b, c, d. So here you see the last one is ignored. So what about step count? Okay, so step count. So the next one is step count. So if I give here 2, what will be the output? Output will be B and D. Why B and D? If you ask me why, because from this output, if you what is the character on the second step? D. So definitely the output will be BD. Okay. If I do 1, what will be the output? Output will be BCD same. Because why? Why BCD? Because if you go to the next one, it is one step count, that is C. If we go to the next one, it is D. So it is BCD. That's it. Okay. So this is all about positive indexing. There may be many other references. So there is another one in positive indexing. If I do 1 colon, so it will print all the values after 1. Okay, right? Including 1. Okay, it will print all the values. If I do this, that means if I leave anything, that means we'll take from 0. So A, B, C, or should be the output. Yeah, A, B, C. Last one is ignored. As I said earlier, last one is ignored. So let's discuss negative indexing now. So how will negative indexing? Indexing will start from here. It's very simple, and negative indexing start from -1, not from 0. It start from -1. So what if I do this -5 colon -2? Very simple. Think it in very simple way. -5 means here from start from -1, H, G, F, E. So up to this is -5 and up to HI is -2. Okay. So what is left in between them? It's left in between them is EFG. So let's print it. So EFG is left in between them. So it is starting from -5 and -2. What is in between them? The difference between negative and positive indexing is negative indexing starts from -1, whereas positive indexing starts from 0, and it's always in a reverse order. Okay, because it starts from here. Okay, from -1. -1 is I, -2 is H, -3 is G, -4 is F, -5 is E. Okay, and what is -2? Up to -2 is HI. So this one is HI, and up to this is -5. So what is left in between them? EFG. So this is the output of this slicing. Okay, but if I do a step count here, positive step count 1, it should print the same EFG. Let's see EFG. What if I do 2? Let's answer me, guys. Answer me. EG. It should be EG. Okay, EG. Okay. So what if I do a negative step count? Let's see what if I do a negative step count. Say -2. Okay. So negative step count is it possible? Let's see the output. It's not possible here. A negative step count is not possible here. To go negative from that end, it's not possible here. That's why it's return a blank result. Okay, no result. Okay. So this is all about slicing. There may be many. Okay, one more thing here is that if I do say negative indexing, it's a -2 colon -5. What would be the output? It will be null. No output will be there because this start should be bigger than this. Otherwise, you will get a. Let's see again. See here, you will get a blank result. Okay. So I won't say this is all about slicing, but there may be many examples. You need to practice in more to understand this slicing using different values from both in positive indexing and in negative indexing. Okay. Please write in comments if you have any question. I will try to answer as per my knowledge. Thank you, and please subscribe. Thank you guys.